How to change Samsung keyboard language. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung phone keyboard is stuck in one language or you want to type in Urdu, English, Arabic, Hindi, or any other language, this video will show you the complete process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Go to General Management. Scroll down until you find General Management. Tap on it to access your phone's language and keyboard settings. Step 3. Open Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now tap Samsung Keyboard Settings. This menu lets you customize everything related to your Samsung keyboard. Step 4. Open Languages and Types. Next, tap Languages and Types. Here you'll find all the language options available for your keyboard. Step 5. Manage Input Languages. Tap Manage Input Languages. If your preferred language isn't installed yet, simply download it. Then turn on the toggle beside the language you want to use. Step 6. Switch between languages. Now open any app where you can type, such as Messages or WhatsApp. When the keyboard appears, tap the globe icon or swipe the spacebar to switch between your enabled languages instantly. And that's it. Your Samsung keyboard can now type in multiple languages. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest Samsung tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.